Good morning, class 10th in mathematics. Today we shall again continue your chapter quadratic equation, because yesterday I had discussed some questions based on applications of quadratic equations or word problems. So we will continue it because we need more questions to be discussed, only then you can understand and solve other questions. So I have taken here few more questions of different types. Make a note of it clearly, and the questions are on different conditions. First question I have taken: the product of two-digit numbers is 20 when 9 is added to the numbers digits, then interchange their places. Find the number. So this way, by applying quadratic equation, you can solve these word problems also. So first, as you know, a two-digit number consists of unit digit and tens digit. So first we will assume let units digit be x. Therefore, as per condition of the question, tenth digit will be 20 upon x, because in the question it is given product of the digits is 20. So number formed, as you know, in algebra we form the number, or even in arithmetic we form the number by adding their place values. So place value of unit digit is x, that will remain as it is, and place value of 20 upon x will be multiplied by 10, that is it is 200 upon x, and then they are added to form the number. So number is x plus 200 upon x. Now the condition next given is when 9 is added to new number, it is 10x plus 20 upon x. So add 9 to it. So x plus 200 upon x was your original number. When 9 is added to it, then new number is 10x plus 20 upon x, as explained above. Or simplifying this, you will get x square minus x minus 20 equal to 0, and solve it for x by factorization or by any method, whatever you know, it is easier part. So you can solve it and you will get x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 4, but x cannot be minus 4. Only x you will take 5 as it is integer. So digits, sorry, as it is digits, I am sorry. So digit cannot be negative. So unit digit is 5 and tens digit is there 420 upon 5, that is 4, and hence number is 45. So this way you can answer these word problems. Second question I have taken 1 year ago. This is age based question. 1 year ago a man was 8 times old as his son. Now at present age is square of his son's age. Find their present ages of son and father. So first we will assume here, supposition is your first step. Let son's present age is x, so father's age will be at present x square. Now according to given condition, you are given 1 year ago son's age will be x minus 1. He was 1 year less, that is x minus 1, and then father's was x square minus 1 as per condition. And according to given condition, this x square minus 9, sorry, x square minus 1 is 8 times x minus 1. On solving, x square minus 8x plus 7 equal to 0, or factorizing it, x minus 1 into x minus 7 equal to 0. That gives you two values of x equal to 1 or x equal to 7. But x cannot be 1, as after that the son and father will be of the same age at present. As you know, if son's present age is x, then father will be x square. 1 square is 1. So this value you will not take, only x equal to 7. So father's present age is 7 and 49, 7 square, and son's present age is 7 years. Third question I have taken: as in a flight of 600 km an aircraft was slowed down by 200 km per hour, and therefore the time increased by 30 minutes. Find the duration of flight. So let original speed be x km per hour. That you have to assume time taken to cover a distance of 600 km is 600 upon x hours, and time taken by new speed x minus 200, which was reduced by 200, will be distance upon speed, that is time, you know it. So it is 600 is the distance same, but time is x minus, speed is x minus 200. So the difference between two timings is 30 minutes. 30 minutes is half an hour. You have to write it in hour also. So on simplifying this, 600 upon x minus 200 minus 600 upon x equal to 1 by 2. On simplifying, you will get x square minus 200x minus 2,40,000 equal to 0, or x minus 600 into x minus plus 400 equal to 0. This will give you x equal to 600 or x not equal to minus 400, as speed cannot be negative. So hence the original speed is 600 km per hour, and time of duration you were asked. So it is time equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 600 km. Speed is also, you have calculated it now as 600, which is equal to 1 hour. So similar questions are there. Later on I will give you more questions. Today make a note of it and show it to me.